Mightychic presents Guaranteed Authentic Hermes Herbag Zip 31 cm bag. At the beginning we present an unboxing of the bag, and then we will start the review. Herbag zip featured Toile and Rouge Piment Vache hunter leather. Splashed on the front of the bag is a Pegasus Pop. The front is rich with palladium clou de sel closure, which is a signature piece. It comes with long straps for shoulder or cross-body carry, but of course toting is also a good option. The back comes with an outside beneath canvas zipped back pocket. The front is attached with a key bell and inside the iconic Hermes Kelly lock. Bag measures. Length 31 cm or 12 inches. Tall 24 cm or 10 inches. Deep 10 cm or 4 inches. Handles tall 7 cm or 2.75 inches. Strap 45 cm or 17.75 inches. Interior is a dune canvas with one main compartment to help you store your belongings. Also, it has an internal pochette, which is removable. Comes with lock, keys and clochette, sleeper and Hermes box. Mightychic has offered exceptional Hermes selections for 21 years and provides superior customer service.